So my purpose of this video and to get you guys involved into this conversation today from the Telegram group is to tell you that market is going to move big sides now. Okay, it is going to move very, very fast and to a side where there is going to be a lot and a lot of potential of making money. If you go ahead and look at the entire piece over here since May, there would have been situations that you would have made a decent amount of money. There would have been situations where you would have made, a decent amount of loss. There would have also been certain situations where, you were confused about what is happening and so on and so forth. So the purpose of this is very simple, guys. We are going to go ahead and break this range. And are we prepared? Now, in the stock market, if you guys would have read a lot of books, the books clearly says that 80% of the time the market is going to consolidate. The rest 20%, the market is going to be trending, and it is going to be aggressively trending. If you just go ahead and check and see how much did Nifty fall in the last 3 days. If you just take the high and low, it has fallen somewhere around 400 points on an average. If you look at Bank Nifty and if you see how much has it fallen from the top to the bottom, it has fallen 1,500 points. Now, people like you and me are sitting over here every day for 50 points, for 100 points. Do you know that there will be certain scenarios in your life where you can make money on these, kind of falls? Now, I will tell you that my account at this particular moment, if I want to just project it over here at this piece, let me just bring that up. At this particular point of time, my account was somewhere around 85,000 to 90,000. Then it became a gap up, a gap down. And over here, what we did was on the same day, we made our account somewhere around 1.21 lakhs. Now, after that, on the next gap down, we made it somewhere around 2,13,000. Is this going to happen on a daily basis? No, it is not going to happen on a daily basis. You have to be at the right place at the right time. That is actually what in Kannada is called Hane Bara. So the point is that, you have to be there, when the goddess of wealth is standing there to give you money. Now, the point is that a lot of people will have certain strategies. Even I have taught a lot of people certain strategies. They are those strategies which actually work on a daily basis. They are those strategies which work over a period of time, and they have a continuous loss streak. The strategies also have a continuous loss streak. But what we have figured out over here is, guys, let me be honest with you. As soon as I was introduced to this order flow, right, my thing about Bank Nifty changed completely. My trades, if you look at, my channel, when I started in the month of January. Okay. You see me doing a lot of, stunts in terms of making 50,000 a day, 80,000 a day, 1 lakh a day, 2 lakh a day. I did all of that. But from there to my videos till today, you see a certain maturity that actually has come through. In terms of that, it has been figured out that you just need to be on the right place at the right time. And a lot of people made their triple of their capital. A lot of people, made, whatever they can make, whatever is written in their fate. But I did what I was doing and I was surviving for so long. And what helped me today and the last couple of months were completely drastic on a life of a trader like me. And that drasticity actually happened because of the order flow. Now, you must be wondering, what is this all about? Now, my trades are actually based on the commutative delta that actually comes into the account. So whenever the commutative delta is less than zero, I go ahead and take the negative trades. I don't take the positive trades. They're always the negative trades. And with this negative trades, what actually happens is when the commutative delta is on the negative side, you will end up making a lot of money here. All right. Because the only thing that you need to do is when the commutative delta is on the negative side, as a trader, you will have to go ahead, draw a support and resistance. And based on the support and resistance, you will always have to think on the side of the P.
and we made our money. Okay, we lost somewhere around 20,000 here at this particular range, but over this fall we made somewhere around 44,000, and on the next day as well we made a decent amount of money. Now let me just tell you something, based on experience. At this moment, if I go ahead and open my Telegram channel right now, and if I give you the access for the number of people who are there in our group as well, we are holding a Bajaj Finance trade where we are actually, we have a particular strategy for this particular stock, and we have invested, somewhere around 63,000 rupees over here. Now, Bajaj Finance is such a stock, okay, on every quarterly result, and a few weeks after that, it gives a 10% move either on the upside or on the downside. Okay, with that 10% move, what will happen is that there will be a proper increase in the premiums. Now, let me just go ahead and tell you the basket hedge that we have over here at this moment. So whatever we have invested right now, we have invested 72,000 rupees in this. But apparently our investment is 63,000 rupees because we have bought it on a cheap basis. Now, if you go to the analyze particular factor, you will see a particular curve over here. Okay, now a lot of people will be thinking that this is there on Obsta Index, this is there on so many places. How does it make sense over here when something like this happens? Now I'm answering a lot of questions over here through this as well, because I decide my targets and I decide my stop loss based on this itself. So the point is, now let's say it is not the 22nd of July tomorrow. Let's say it is the 23rd. So on the 23rd, if Bajaj Finance moves 5% up or 5% down, okay, if it moves 5% up, there will be a certain losses over here, and if it moves 5% down, there'll be certain profits here. Can you guys tell me why so? Is this question that if it moves 5% up, we'll have a loss, and if we move 5% down, we'll have a profit? Anybody has any idea? Just think about it. Why do you think that is possible? Now, we have bought this exactly when Bajaj Finance is right now in the middle, right? So it is at 6,000. So we have bought the option of 5,600 and 6,500. Why do you think we will be able to make money when it is going on the downside? Let me answer that question without any hesitation. The reason being here is, if you would see, I have a 5,600 PE. So technically I had to do 5,500 PE. So I am slightly bearish with this scenario. Now, HDFC Bank had already, it started with Infosys and TCS when these two people told that the large cap business is actually going to go ahead and give results, but that is not going to be that well. All right. So let me just load up the other screen for you and the charts. Just give me one moment. So over here, this is a very important thing that I want to tell you. Okay. Now, why do you think, I'm so fascinated about Bajaj Finance results? The reason why I'm fascinated about Bajaj Finance results is that I know that this guy will move 25% to 20% after its release of its quarterly results. So it is going to go that direction. Now, for example, let's look at 19th of January, something like this happened. So from here, if I go ahead and calculate, it moved 10% down before the day of, before the monthly expiry. And after that, it went ahead and it moved somewhere around 25% up. So I will know that what I would need to do over here at this particular scenario is, when it is trying to go on to the downside, now you're going to draw a trend line. And as soon as the trend line is broken, you will go long. Remember this. As soon as this trend line, whenever the results have come and if it is falling down, as soon as the trend line breaks, you will go long. And that long will give you so much money for the next 7 months, you don't have to trade. Okay. So this is one scenario. The other scenario is, let's say, you got the results and it is bullish. It will straight away go 25% over there. It is not going to stop for you, me, or anybody. We are still in the position. Now, if you go back and see over here as well, it will again start moving on the same faction. So technically, Bajaj Finance, after the results come in, the first few days of the starting of August are going to be critical. I want to ask you guys, are you ready to make that sort of a money over here? I'm talking about, somewhere around 66%, 25%, 35%, 40%, and a lot of money that is actually there. And this stock is the reason why I'm rich. Okay, because in your trading career, you don't need all the days to be green. You just need those 5 or 6 days where market is going, crazy on one particular direction, and you are on the right direction. That is all it is, guys. Apart from that, what you do is your trading is actually a test match. Your trading is actually a test match. It is not going to be 20-20 every day. Okay, my purpose, once again, let me reiterate, to inform you is that if you have come and chosen the career of trading, you will have to ensure that every day you will take a single. And when the baller makes a mistake, you will whack it for a 6. So you are right now waiting for a mistake to come from the opposite side, and then you will make a hit about it. So why is RLTR group in a question over here, and why I'm doing this session is because I know that there is going to be a ball that is going to be full toss that is going to come exactly near you, and you can just whack it towards a 6. So right now, I am in this position. Okay, everybody knows my balance. I make videos about it every day and stuff like that. After 4 or 5 days, or let's say 1 or 2 weeks down the line, this capital might become 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 10 lakhs, or even 0, right? So it can become, there are a lot of options for it. But I want you guys to observe that whatever decision that I take over here will make my capital go to an extent where a lot of people will not be able to take their capital to. When I started this with 75,000, if somebody was there with me and was growing that same 75,000 like the way how I've been growing, he would have also been with a 2,10,000 by now. My question to you is that when I am at this particular number, and when I go to that particular number, will you still be waiting? Is the question. The choice is up to you whether you want to be a part of my analysis or not. But when I do a live trade, for me, it is just one single day that I need to go ahead and make a double of my capital. And after that, everything is going to become a history. Okay, so this account, this is how you need to grow, guys. You just need to understand one thing, okay, that if you have 1,000 rupees, okay, when will it become 2,000? If you have 1,000 rupees, when will it become 2,000? When will you double it? Will it take 1 week for you? Will it take 6 months for you? Where it will take 1 year for you? Once you know how much time it takes for you to double that particular amount, you multiply it by 10. And you know how much it will be? I want to give you that calculation today, guys. Let's say, for an example, each and every one of you is having 10,000 rupees in your account today. Okay. Each and every one of you, okay, all of you over here have 10,000 rupees in your account. Now, let's say I will take 6 months to make this 10,000 to 20,000. How many of you guys agree with me? Can I say that you guys will take 6 months to make this 10,000 to 20,000 rupees? Possible. So once you understood the fact how much time it takes for you to make it double. So for the first 6 months, you have 10,000. The next 6 months, what will happen is you have doubled it. It becomes 20,000 in a year. Then in another 6 months, you double it. It becomes how much? Sorry, my apologies. 20,000 into 2. So in 1 year, in a 1.5 year, your 10,000 investment became 40,000 because in 6 months you can double it. Now in another 6 months, what you will do is you will double it once again. So in 2 years, you doubled your amount. See, you have already decided, let it be a mathematical equation. How much time will it take for Arun Rajan, okay, how much time will it take for him to make 10,000 to 20,000? I will say 6 months. Let's say he has accepted and he has done a lot of analysis in the market and everything. And he said in 6 months, I will go ahead, double my capital into 20,000. Now, keeping that 6 months with him, and he knows by 6 months he can double his capital very easily by not trading every day, by trading sometime here, sometime there, or somewhere on that particular manner. Okay, his 10,000 actually became 80,000 in 2 years. Now, once again, if I take, it will take another 6 months for me to go ahead and double this. So in the next 2.5 years, his 10,000 became 16 times. And then in another, 3 years for that matter, it became somewhere around 3,20,000. Guys, I'm just giving you a very fair idea about what I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm just giving you a concept that you need to think about it very, very closely after this session is over. And this concept is going to be a game changer for your life. You just need to find out how much time will you take to double your capital. Even if you have 5,000 rupees, how much time will it take to double it to somewhere around 10? So that is the actual idea that you need to have in your life. So think about it, guys. Think about it. Will it take 6 months to double your capital from 10,000? Okay, let's agree to that fact. If it takes 6 months for you to double your capital, and that actually came into that particular aspect, then it is absolutely fine. So in the next 3 years, that 10,000 rupees became 3,20,000. Okay, now 3 years, 6 months, it became 6,40,000. And 4 years, it became how much? 12,80,000. In 4.5 years, it became 25 lakh rupees. In 5 years, okay, 25 lakhs, I'll just keep it right there. So in 5 years, you've made 50 lakh rupees with just 10,000 rupees. Sounds like a magical dream, right? No, this is not a magical dream. If you want to make 50 lakh rupees in the next 5 years with 10,000 rupees, you will have to find out how much time will it take you to double that 10,000 rupees. That's all. After that, it is just a calendar. How many of you guys agree with this? I want you to tell me you don't agree with this as well, because if I answer your question on this psychological factor, your trading style from tomorrow will change. Ask me a question. Do you guys agree with me or disagree with me? Do you think if I have 10,000 rupees and if I give you a time scale to double this 10,000 rupees? Yes, Neha, that's the truth. You need to be disciplined. And a lot of people over there in the market are searching for Holy Grail, right? Holy Grail, there will be one indicator that they will buy in the morning, sell in the night, they will become rich. That is not the game, guys. That is not the game. If I go back to my account, I told myself that it will take me 1 week to double my capital. 1 week or 2 weeks to double my capital. I know the mathematical calculation to double my capital in 1 or 2 weeks. So I will know where I will go. But the point is, see, Shan has actually gone ahead and done it for the last 10 years, and he's telling that you can do 1,000 crore here with 10,000 rupees. You know what, guys? This is the biggest thing that I want to tell you from the psychological factor. Now, why do you want to have something? Okay, everybody wants to have something over there in their life to actually help them grow. The law of compounding is very great. My friend Srinath, okay, I love him to the bits. He bought an Excel sheet in front of me and he told, bro, you know what? Look at this. I was like, holy shit. I abuse myself. Okay. And the reason why I abuse myself is because I saw 10,000 rupees. Okay. 10,000 rupees turning into something so much beautiful. And you know what I did? My friend told me to do that. He showed me his Excel sheet and all of that. But what I did was I took his Excel sheet and I went to a different level. I absolutely went to a different level. And I started understanding the law of compounding. So if I would say Bajaj Finance is a particular place where I can make 25%, I can track 25% of the rally or 66% of the rally or 100% of the rally. So Bajaj Finance is a particular stock where I can track that particular rally. I will give you a clear indicator about one thing. Let's say I am bullish, or let's say I am bearish. I have 1,000 quantity. I have invested 46,000 rupees. Okay. We have done 46,000 rupees. This is where it is. Now I am ready to go ahead and wait for that 10% move that I'm ready for on the downside. I'm just giving you a quote. I'm giving you an example. I just take this and move 10% over here. I will make 2.5 lakhs in this one single trade with this 46,000 rupees. Now, what does that mean? Think about it, guys. What does that mean? With this 46,000 rupees, I made 2.5 lakh rupees. So I made 5 times of whatever the amount that is there over here. I know when in the particular quarter I can make that kind of money. Okay. See, Anil, I just want to go ahead and clarify a few things, Anil. I will just summarize this in very small thing because, I want to repeat this like a parrot. Because if any one of you understands this today, tomorrow will be a different day when you're trading. The understanding point is that, let's say, Anil, I want to directly ask you a question because you asked a question. You have 10,000 rupees. How much time will it take for you to make this 10,000 rupees into 20,000 rupees? Let's say you take small stop losses. Let's say whatever setup you follow. If you have 10,000 rupees, how much time will it take for you to make it 20,000, Anil? Will it take 1 month? Will it take 6 months? Or will it take a year? Guess. Just think about it. 3 to 4 months. Okay. So what I will do is, Anil, I will say you take 3 months. Okay. Do you agree with me? Anil will double this 10,000 rupees into 20,000 rupees in 3 months. For him to double this 10,000 rupees into 20,000 rupees in 3 months, what does he have to do is that calculation will come after this. But however, he takes 3 months. Now, what happens is, let's say he started on the 2021 itself. So within the first 3 months, what happened? Okay, his 10,000 rupees in the first 3 months became 20,000 rupees. He follows the same process, same discipline. In the next 3 months, what happens? His 20,000 rupees will become 40,000 rupees. He's made 4x in 6 months. Now, in another 3 months, he's made 80. At the end of the year, what he's done is 80,000 into 2. He's made 1,60,000. Don't you think it's achievable, guys? Don't you think it is achievable? Anil, simple math. So my job as a trainer, a trader, a mentor, or whatever you want to call me as RLTR group is to teach you guys how to double your initial capital. That's all. There are a lot of people who trade with moving averages. There are a lot of people who will trade with open interest. There are a lot of people who will trade with deficiency patterns in support and resistance. There are a lot of people who will trade in some, a weird super trend or some calculator or some system or something like that. A lot of people will trade. But my job is that I will go ahead and trade with price action and order flow. That's all. I know my speed of doubling the capital because I made 3x of my capital in the last 10 days. I mean, not 10 days, 2 weeks. In the last 2 weeks. So my speed of making 3x is 2 weeks. Okay. So if I now go ahead, put a calculator, how much do you think I should be compounding? Think. I can compound it to 1 crore, right? But you know what? As an option buyer, it will start becoming difficult for you as soon as you cross 15 lakh rupees to 20 lakh rupees. After you cross 15 to 20 lakh rupees, it becomes difficult for you. Because at that time, instead of doubling the capital, you just have to concentrate on making 10% in 1 week, making 1% a day. But there is a lot of noise around the world where they say a small retailer to make 1% a day, he will take 100 trading sessions to make it double. Even that is a good deal. But the point is, guys, you need to understand when will you double your account. And you just need to follow the strategies. I, in my life, always wait for a Bajaj Finance result. And during a Bajaj Finance result, I know that if I catch the thing by its horn, I will make decent amount of money. Now, let's say, for an example, the open position that I have in a Bajaj Finance. I am slightly bearish, but I have a hedge on the call side. Let's say this guy moved 10% up, 600 points above from the current price. Okay, let's say he moved 600 points above from the current price. The 65,000 call, 6,500 call that I have will become 120 rupees. And, the put will become 0. So rest 80 rupees that I will have into 1,000, 80,000 rupees I would have made in 63,000 rupees. If I go to Bajaj Finance, whatever direction that it is going to catch over here, it is going to be the final direction that it will be. So if you go ahead and check right now, once the results are out, there is a possibility of this to move at least 10% to 20% on either side. All right. So remember always, you need to have certain stocks like this that you need to pick up and keep it next to you so that you know when you're managing them what happens. One of my live trading participants had invested 50,000 in the month of April on a Bajaj Finance result. 50,000. That person made 6.5 lakh rupees with that. I have the contract note. Whoever wants it, just ping me on the Telegram. I'll forward it to you. The option was bought at 50 rupees. That was squared at somewhere around 430 or 490 or something like that. Remember, or if you want to find that particular option, right, go to my Telegram channel, just scroll up to April. I have always kept posting on whatever I've been doing on a day-to-day basis. This particular Telegram channel will backdate it until January also, from the time that I started this entire thing. So my question to you is, guys, is that to find your 10%, to find your 2x is what you need. Whether you learn it from me, okay, by joining my live trading, whether you learn it from somebody else, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter from whomever you learn, but learn one thing, that will this guy, the way he is teaching you, help you make double of whatever the 10,000 that you have, 20,000 of you have, 50,000 of what you have, whatever. So remember that very, very carefully. Remember that very, very carefully, because this is all you need, guys. Don't struggle around to find some course that is going to go ahead and help you. Don't struggle around for something that is going to help you. Don't search for indicators. Don't search for anything. Don't search for videos. You literally cut yourself off from YouTube. Just learn by your own, by when and how you want to make, or how much time will it take for you to make 10,000, 20,000. That's all you learn, and then repeat it. Do a dry run. Now you must be thinking, what is this guy, a sadhu, who's called us and told that find this, you will find your success? I'm telling you guys one thing today. Even if this in 20 people or 21, 23 people, whoever is there over here, 2 people do what I'm actually asking you to do, right? You guys, at the end of the next 3 years, will remember me when you become crore pratis. We all have one thing in our mind, and then we always keep thinking that I have an EMI tomorrow. I need to make profit today. I will have to clear the EMI tomorrow. I have a loan tomorrow. I have to make the money today. No, bro, that does not work like that. Your commitments is not associated with the way you trade. You are actually against yourself. You think that the Chinese, when they were actually discovering yin and yang, the energies of the universe, they told the biggest enemy of ourself is us. So they actually took somewhere around 1,000 years to master, to defeat themselves up. Do you think you will be able to do that? In stock market, you will have to learn what they did 1,000 years in a span of a couple of months or a weeks or a year, so that you can make money. You master that, you will be able to make your money. Guys, I'll be honest with you. If I wanted, I had made like 89,000 rupees. Okay, 89,000 rupees on Tuesday. And I had made it right at the middle of the day, somewhere around 12 o'clock. Don't you think I would have had an urge to take another trade after that? I would have had, right? But my discipline, I had told I will only take Bajaj Finance trade. I will not take any other trade. And when we bought this Bajaj Finance, our average was 33 rupees, 33 rupees. I was just waiting for this to be at the same price. I actually got the call at the cheaper rate and I got put on a costlier rate. So got it? So remember, guys, no matter where you go on to YouTube, whichever book you find, whichever mentor you want, you can go. But he should teach you the art of doubling your capital. That's it. You have 1,000, you have 2,000, you have 3,000, you have 4,000, you have 5,000, you have 20,000, you have 1 lakh, you have 50 lakhs, you have 1 crore. You need to understand how much time will it take for you to make the double of that particular amount. And then after 2 or 3 years down the line, everything will actually change for you guys. And what I offer to you guys is that I am teaching you what I follow. This 75,000 rupees that I started this account with on the 7th of July, you can go back to the Telegram and see the date when I started and see it right now. If you just add this all together over here, it is a 2,000 quantity at whatever average of 30, it is somewhere around 64 or 65,000 rupees over here. Both put together, I'm like 2,25,000 rupees. So I have made 3x of my particular capital in the last 2 weeks. So what I want you to do is, I want you to find somebody and start learning with them the art of making double of your capital. That's all. See, a lot of people will say make 10%, 20% a day. They're all confusing you. You just need to know how much time logically will you take to double your capital. That's all. After that, I'm open for a very free session. You just call me and you tell me, Noor, now what next? I will make a plan and tell you how to double it again. So, ladies and gentlemen, our session today, was for me to give back to universe what I have learned. Okay, so you are my universe. I gave it back to you. So my job is to tell you guys that this is the key for you to become crore-patis. Now, whether there will be 22 crore-patis in the next couple of years or 2 crore-patis in the next couple of years or nobody, it all depends on what is the next step that you're going to take. If you want to learn a lot of things, there are thousands of hours of YouTube content available. There are thousands of books available on trading. There are thousands of people who teach about trading. But go find someone who will help you make that capital double, no matter how small it is. All right, guys. So this was the most important thing to you. And whoever over here is there, and if you think me as your mentor and I can help you double that capital, just go to the website, claim your seat for tomorrow, and then start trading with me. That's as simple as that. There is no other conversation that is there over here that I want to have with you today. Okay. So the market tomorrow is going to be bullish or bearish. It will be based on what the market is going to be. Okay. If you want a coupon code, just go to www.rltgroup.com. There is, the web chat services over there. who might be able to give you some coupon code if they have some. So they can give you a 25% off or something like that, or 20% off. I don't know how much it is, but go and claim them. I think they have only 3 or 4 coupons left. So go claim them. See, it is all one thing, guys. It is nothing but, how much time will it take for you to double it? Okay. Now, Arun Rajan said, where will the market go today? So I will just go ahead and tell you where the market will go. If the market goes ahead and breaks the low of 15,600 in the morning tomorrow, then we are going to have an easy target over here. These lines are already written over here for this 100 points. So the market will take at 15,500 if it opens below 15,600. If it opens above 15,700 is when we are going to be bullish. We are going to have no trades in between 15,700 to 15,600. This 100 points, there are going to be no trades. Now, in terms of Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty is exactly the same as well. If it goes and cuts the low for that particular day over here, you will get 400 points as a target. And if that sustains, you can have another 600 points. So there is another 1,000 points the Bank Nifty can actually correct tomorrow. All right. So please keep this in mind. This is a very logical thing about this. And you need to understand that not every day is going to be a great day. Okay. There'll be certain days where you will get some pain as well. But that pain should be very minimal. It should not be too much. It should not eat you a lot. Okay. But the point is, what I want you guys to do is just learn the art of doubling your capital, and that's all it is. The main purpose of our life should always be to find a very logical, concise, workable way out of our situations. Whatever problems that each and every one of you have right now, all those problems are actually going to be taken off. They are absolutely going to be taken off if you just understand when will it take you, or how much time will it take for you to make your capital double. And I'm not just telling in options buying. You can even sell options. You can even go ahead and do equity options. Equity trades. You can become a long-term trader. You can become anything. Once you know how much time will it take for you to double your amount, from that day, your game changes in your life. And that's all it is. I have my game ready over here. I have my game ready over here. And I will be achieving this game very soon. Okay. So this will happen. See, for a part-time trader, Moza, what you can do is, this is a Zoom session. Okay. And in Zoom session, you can pick it up from your mobile and do a lot of those things. You can try to go ahead and see as to how it is manageable for you. If it is not, you can then go ahead and let me know. And based on that, I'll go ahead and inform you what would be the ideal time for workaround. So that is, what do you say, individual specific question. So, you have to actually dip your leg in the water and see how cold it is. Just dip your toe and check. Okay. But don't worry. See, this position that I have over here, tomorrow, even you can take this, right? The only thing that you need to know, stop loss and your target. So even if you're a part-time trader, I think one Bajaj Finance script is enough for you. So it is that. Okay. Everybody over here, you cannot buy Bajaj Finance now, Munir. I know you want to become, you want to double your capital soon, but it will be on the opening date. So tomorrow we are going to start live trading by 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay. So, by 9:15, I will tell you where the market is going, what is happening. See, Bajaj Finance will not move immediately because I bought it. It will move slowly. See, it has already tried to break the very crucial support that it has over here. So once this is broken, it will actually go ahead and cross over here. So this is the 5% that can easily be nicked. If that sustains, then it can come to this 10% mark is what we are expecting. Okay. So don't worry about that. This should be fine. Okay. So let's get that thing done and let's follow it and we will do it. So let me just. One moment. Any more questions, guys? Anything at all? Before I end the session, I want you guys to ask me as much as questions that you want. Okay. Now, just as a remembrance, what I will do is I will put this video onto the YouTube. If somebody in their life is destined to make this, then we are going to actually have a lot of people to actually decide the strike price. See, like I said, right, deciding the strike price, it totally depends on how the kind of a market is. So what I will do is, Munir, as soon as in the morning, when we start the day, at that time I will tell you how we are going to decide the price. Okay, so I think Srinath spoke to me about your scenario. So I think I have given him a heads up. So I think you can follow on that route as well, and everything should be fine. Okay. So with this, guys, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day. If you don't have any questions in the next 3 minutes, I will be closing the session. Thank you so much. See, sometimes our trades are lightning trades. Ananta, I think you took a trade, no? How much time did we spend on that particular trade on Wednesday? I mean, Tuesday? Max 20 minutes, right? Yeah, 20 minutes is easy. So, 20 minutes is all it takes. Sometimes it might take a larger than that, but we can have a decent amount of a thing. We actually caught somewhere around 100 points at a single direction, so it is quite an easy thing. Okay, don't worry, don't stress yourself. The only thing that I want to tell every one of you over here in this group is that find your way of making your double and how much time you will take to double it. And that is all is the game of life, guys. And after that, everything will start changing and it will start working exactly the way you want it to work. Okay. Now, just for your enthusiasm's sake, okay, if you have any questions whatsoever about this, just let me know before I close this. Any more questions before I close this? Final call? Everything is volatile, Munir. Everything is volatile. Nothing is going to be handed over to you on a plate. In stock market is one of the most difficult professions in the world. It is not like a casino. It is not like playing cards. It's not like doing anything. It is a business which looks like this and that and everything. So, that is the point that I want to tell. This is the most difficult job in the world. You need to be with the best in this business. That's all. You don't even need to be on the thing. So you can go ahead and do that. And let's see what can be the way to do this. So I hope, all of you guys, I think there is no discount on weekly. Weekly is already costly. So if you want, you can choose between monthly and quarterly. So quarterly, I think you might get 25%, on monthly 10%. That's all. No, the change in Nifty will not impact the trading, because if you go ahead and check one thing, who trades in Nifty? Now, these guys, whoever are making strangles and straddles, right? Wait, let me just go ahead and take this. I'll show you this so that you understand who trades in Nifty. I'll just open this option chain. Just look at the straddle, 49 rupees and 54 rupees. Okay. So you want to say 15,600. Asian Paints already went 7% up. Because of the crude falling, it actually went more up than that also. So I think it's already, counted. So the result is already factored in for that move. Now, whatever move that needs to happen, it will be based on whatever the global sentiment is and whatever the movement is tomorrow. So the Nifty lots won't impact, but it will make things more easier. It'll bring more liquidity to the scenario, because what will happen is everybody can then go ahead and short this. So let's say a person over here is shorting somewhere around 15,650. Let me just take these strikes. Let me create a new basket and call it strangles or straddles. Freak, I just get confused over here. Okay, let's say you're selling 15,600 call. Sorry, it is 650, right? 15,650. Let's say you're selling this, and 15,650 put, and you're also selling this. So a total thing that you need over here, it's somewhere around 1,30,000. What these guys want to do is, what the SEBI and the guys who are regulating this want to do is, they want to reduce it to less than 1,00,000, so that even a small retail participant can also go ahead and take trades. So that might create a lot of liquidity, but it won't impact on anything else. The question will still be the same. Bakrid is every day in stock market. They'll just pull you, let you sleep on the ground, cut your neck. That's all they'll do. But the point is that you just need to find the loopholes to make your doubles. So I'm going to summarize whatever I've taught you in just 2 minutes right now before I end this session, guys. And I want you to go ahead and look at it very, very carefully. Yes, if you add that C and P, it'll come down to 80,000. Yes, there are a lot of ways to do this. So my job is that what I want you guys to understand going forward from today is that you just need to find out and understand. I will pick up somebody's name so that I can give a personalized response to that person. So let's say Nitesh. Nitesh is a person who has 10,000 rupees in his account, and Nitesh has decided to go ahead and follow the rule of making this follow the rule of compounding. And the rule of compounding is very simple. A lot of books teach you, a lot of things teach you over there. So with his 10,000, he has found a way by learning trading from somebody, or trading with me, or trading with some book, or trading with some other fellow over there, or somewhere on that sort. He has learned that in the next 6 months, Nitesh is going to go ahead and double his capital. So in the next 6 months, what will happen is Nitesh will double his capital from 10,000 into 2 times 20,000. So then again, what will happen is in the next 6 months, he will then again do the same thing. He will repeat it. So this 20,000 will become somewhere around 40,000. All right. So now, after he has found out that he can easily double his capital twice a particular year, so he will start following the exact same thing, and he will be doing that again. So in the next 1.5 months, he makes it 80, and then in the 2 years, he will make it somewhere around 1,60,000. And if you then start going ahead and doing that, so again, 2.5 years from now, he will be at 3,20,000, and 3 years from now, he will be somewhere around 6,40,000. And somewhere around 4.5 years down the line, or 4 years down the line, he'll be at this range. And it totally takes somewhere around 5 years for him to reach 51 lakh rupees with just 10,000. So my thing for you is that no matter what field that you follow, or whether you do equity buying, long-term option selling, option buying, future selling, future hedge, commodities, currencies, just find the time, how much will it take for you to double your capital, and just keep doing it. You will achieve your targets with the way of compounding. And remember this word, the word discipline makes a lot of difference in your life. And I hope that is a very good thing that you actually abide to. So like I said, my speed is somewhere around 2 weeks. I made 3x. So that is the speed that I'm actually going to go with again. So I'm going to be disciplined on that particular factor and try to grow it eventually. And in the end, I'm going to realize a way to get myself out of this. Because like I tell you, if this capital grows after 7 figures, the only thing that I would need to do is, after 7 figures, the only thing I would need to do is I would need to extensively concentrate on option selling. So until we get there, we still have enough time. So if you want to join me in my league, visit www.rltagroup.com. For a quarterly, you would get 25%. For a monthly, you get 20 or 10%. I don't know. For weekly, you don't have discounts. Select that, join us, and take it forward from there. So apart from that, this is what I had to offer you on the day of a holiday today. I hope this helped you a lot. I wish you guys have a wonderful day ahead. I will wind up things right now, and we'll catch up with you once again on a live trading session tomorrow. Take care. God bless you all. Goodbye.